Excellent news. Judge Mame Owusu Mensah Frimpong has ordered the Trump administration to stop immediately its ICE raids that target Hispanic and Latino people who are speaking Spanish based on their ethnicity, based on their line of work, based on how they look. Say that's unconstitutional. It's a violation of Fourth Amendment, and it must stop immediately. This judge also stated that the four plaintiffs, who along with the immigration rights group, are entitled to officers to warning to essentially give them due process rights. Those four men were waiting on a bus to go to work, and ICE just picked them up, violated all their laws. As I say before, if you follow me, I am JJ Legal on social media. I'm in the dockets and telling you the various different lawsuits filed against the Trump administration. And if you follow my account, I let you know that the Fourth Amendment due process rights against unlawful search and seizure applies to anyone in the United States, irrespective of your status, which means that you're only supposed to be stopped if they have reasonable suspicion that you have violated the law. The reasonable suspicion cannot be based on your ethnicity, your language, or things like that. They have to have actually seen you walk across the border, or if you had a visa and you overstayed, they need to have documentation that that's you who overstayed your visa. Otherwise, there's nothing reasonable suspicious about anyone just because they're Latino, Hispanic, speaking Spanish, because there are a lot of Americans, people, permanent resident, people who have status, who are Latino, who are Spanish, who are lawfully here. So just alone cannot be a reason for you to stop. The judge also said that the defendants, the Trump administration, has to provide documentation that they giving training to these officers and tell them that they need to have standards and show them they need to have reasonable suspicion. Essentially, retrain these folks because they're violating the law. You deputize them to do things that you aren't even allowed to do. Follow this account. I'm going to share with you other videos of cases that I've been monitoring where other litigants are calling the Trump administration to task for essentially wanton, blatant violation of the law. And she also said, as to the foremen, they need to be given their rights and access to lawyers and given opportunity to defend themselves against this wanton lawlessness. Its impacts today. She rejected the Trump administration's assertion that it's consensual and for more time. They said they need more time for what? You didn't without any law basis. Like, get out of here. So yay, Judge Frimpong. Thank you very much. It's effective. Finally, we have a little bit of relief against this lawlessness. Follow me, JJ Legal here. I'll keep you updated. I have lots of great more videos of showing you some wins coming forward. So stay tuned. Each one teach one. Share this account in the good news. Yay. We're winning. There's another side to this. Hold on.